Attorney Espiritu, kanina ka pa namin iniintay.
Pag-uusapan ba na naman natin ang pagtagal mo sa akin sa law firm, Attorney Aguirre?
Anyway,
Well, unfortunately, hindi mo na magagawa yun.
what makes you say that?
Dahil iisa lang ang pwedeng gumawa. And that's not you.
Right? Kung hindi ako, sino ba ikaw?
Masawa mo. Si Mercy. Bisa ng durable power of attorney na pinagawa ni Judge bago mo siya pinaka... May duda ka? Saan mo? As attorney, in fact, Mercy can handle running legal aspects of the law firm. Gaya ng managing the finances, overseeing administrative tasks, and handling client relations.